and welcome to a very special Scott Patric Beauty. I'm with my gorgeous friend Lilian. She is 8 months pregnant. That's how many weeks?
34 now.
34 weeks. I don't understand why pregnant women talk in weeks and not months. Because we don't speak that language. But she's here and she's gorgeous. And we're doing a beautiful Earth Mama look today where it's earthy and warm and sexy. And she is life. So welcome. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Okay. Foundation is the Armani Luminous Silk. Gorgeous. Heaven. I use somewhere between 6.5 and 8 on Lilian. That's the sweet spot. And that way she's tan and glowing and gorgeous and Brazilian.
And Brazilian. I love it. It's my favorite.
Me too. So the object of the foundation isn't to cover up your skin. It's just to give it that beautiful soft filter. And we want to see your freckles underneath, and we want to see your life underneath, and we want to see the way you've lived underneath. You're fantastic.
I love it.
It's like the littlest thing. All of a sudden is ba-doom-da. It's like exactly what we need. It's just like, oh.
Yes. Look. I love him. Just a little secret.
Don't tell anyone.
It's beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna find a room for you. You're moving in.
Wow. I'm coming. Just looks like your skin when you were 13 years old. And that summer of love that you got the gorgeous tan and
I love that.
Always
But I'm still 13. Inside, maybe.
Beautiful. So, you know, sometimes it's all about these soft colors have impact too. It doesn't have to be some kind of crazy scream. You don't have to yell out and say, look at me. You can just, I always call it like a little bit of this like French makeup thing. It's just like a little quiet, beautiful eye. A little bit of brown liner, Lancome. It's funny, there's something earth mothery about a pregnant mom, but I just feel it. You can feel the baby.
Yeah, energy, right? She'll be a good one. She's calm. It's been a good pregnancy so far.
And what sign are you?
Leo.
And what sign's the baby gonna be?
A Scorpio.
Oh! And your other daughter?
She's a Virgo.
Oh my God, your husband!
And he's Aquarius. So
oh, thank God! That's the normaling. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Yes.
Bring it down. A little drama. And then I lift it at the end, always like lifting that V at the end. Oh, look at that. It's a knockout.
Too bad I'm already pregnant. I could make another baby tonight.
Okay, Lilian, I've got the Charlotte Tilbury pencil.
I love this one.
It's gorgeous. And with that beautiful smoke eye, I love going just a little bit lighter underneath the eye so you don't look tired, you look sexy.
I think I said that already, but I love concealer. So, do you know in Brazil, most of us we just plain a C-section.
Get it in, get it out.
Yes. So in most of us, we go like beautiful. We like to look beautiful in the first pictures of your baby. So we do the hair. We have.
So
the
can I
makeup.
come? Do
so
your
I'm like,
makeup?
you want to be here? It's your birthday. I can imagine how fun. It'd be great.
And I'll do the camera work too.
Yes. You bring your lights. Just so it's
the light
easier.
right
It's
there,
glamorous.
right in the sweet spot.
I'll be like, wait, Scott, I'm sweating here. I'm sweating.
No, wait, let me powder. Don't powder that. That needs to be moist.
I want that. My first time, of course, I didn't do makeup or anything. And I look at the pictures, I'm like,
Oh, I look
where
gorgeous.
was this Scott in my life?
I've got the light.
Yeah.
Without some liquid liner. I love making that dream that liquid liner always holds. It's a little Gina Lollobrigida, a little Sophia Loren, it's a little Earth Mama, and it just always makes us feel gorgeous. And open, give a candor.
It's beautiful.
Just does something that like nothing else does, right? A little Christian Dior nude. Fabulous.
It's gorgeous too. It smells so good.
Tannin, lovely and beautiful. Of the real. I want lots of mascara.
You know I love it too.
Wow, Lilian. So pretty.
I love it. This is amazing too.
You're amazing.
Look.
Without a lovely face, a mascara is just a mascara. Beautiful.
A little bit more. That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Look at you, sun goddess.
Mamacita.
So we've got a really gorgeous lip for Lilian today. It's called Stellar Shine. It's from Dior Addict, and it's lovely. And it really completes this Earth Mama look.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Heaven.
I think I'm gonna ask you to leave with me. Can you leave me here?
Yes. I want to live with you. Wow, that's fantastic. We've got a gorgeous, glamorous, gleaming Earth Mama that is heaven. Wow.
I love it.
You're beautiful. And I love you. Thanks for watching Scott Patric Beauty. This is me and my great friend Lilian, and we had a ball. And thank you for watching.